Treat yourself and have endless fun cruising the streets or the dirt trails with the WowGo AT2 all-terrain electric skateboard. This cool and modern electric skateboard is very comfortable. It comes with an IP55 splash-resistant rating and is durable enough to cross varied terrain. The AT2 electric skateboard has a longboard design and sports two 1,500-watt electric motors for guaranteed fun. The motors are powerful and allow the skateboard to climb up slopes. This setup ensures that the skateboard will kick dirt and accelerate quickly. The top speed is up to 25 miles per hour on turbo mode. The WowGo AT2 electric skateboard has a single charge range of up to 22 miles depending on the rider's weight and average speed. Therefore, you can use it to go to work or school or enjoy hours of fun without worrying about the battery. The electric skateboard comes with durable CNC wheel hubs and air-filled 6.7-inch tires that are 2 inches thick for excellent grip on loose surfaces and also add cushioning. Enjoy riding it on the dirt or in the backyard for fun. Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.